So, here the plan now. More than ever before, bakers are pushing the boundaries with their realistic cake designs, and it's getting harder and harder to tell the real thing from the look-alike, which is true. So, well, that might be the case for some, but for us, we know everything. So it's going to be a piece of cake. Our producers challenge us to spot the real cake.
Come on.
Well, here we go.
Come, Nebs.
Hold
come,
on,
Nebs.
we're working.
The one with
picture?
the ball. The one with the ball and the sun.
You said that? Hold on up. I'm Tony, man. Sheffield, 2 from 2. Clive, you don't get nothing right yet, you know?
No.
Doritos.
I will say,
The white one.
I'll say the pineapple.
I said Doritos.
Finally get one!
Sheffield, 3 from 3.
Clive finally got one, and let me tell you,
Well, you
it
know,
was
say-
the sweetest thing.
Well, you know, you somebody see the man that jump up and down inside that. Well, you know, say me not get none yet.
You did.
No, well, I was kind of going to
The
say,
pink
but
and
yeah,
gray.
but I never come
You
out
got
and
the pink
say.
and gray.
That is it? That is it? One more?
One more. All right, Nebs, we got this.
Sheffield going 3 from 3.
So we guess if I'm one of the apple them or all of the apple them. You know, sister, then give me the answer before the question.
Yeah.
Oh, it's which of the apples?
Is which of the apple them?
I feel they get.
I
Which one
said
of
the big.
apples?
I said the big red one. Chef said the big green one.
I
I said
agree
the
with
big
Neville with the big red.
red. I said the big red. Ooh, the small green.
Oh my God.
Well, Chef, you're wrong. Not a surprise that Clive wrong again. Hold on, Clive get one. Right? Hold on, Clive get one. I want him get one. See? you don't think him get the cake too?
Clive was like, yes!
Not a surprise that he never get any more. Sheffington win. Sheffington win. Sheffington scored 3 runs, so Chef win.
Yeah, Chef win.
First-
I gotta say though, Spanish Town didn't even guess one.
Spanish Town there?
In there, but
Oh, him say him not there.
Spanish Town didn't guess one.
All right. I'm going to read something, but before I say that, I saw Eternal Father, and there was this young miss from San Diego who did the national anthem at the stadium yesterday. Boy, she was good. She was so, vibrant. She have all me a sing. She was so vibrant. But I have a confession. You see the national anthem, you see the second verse.
Yeah.
If me not sing with everybody, me kind of get caught up with 1 or 2 of the line. Them. It's like me not too certain. Serious. But if everybody's singing, you don't think it's me write it. But if it's me one and it's the second verse, maybe say, But she was brilliant. Yes.
Teachers, true respect for all.
Yeah, probably other line.
Yes.
All right, detail of the Eternal Father Awards when we come back. Stay with us, folks. Soon come.